guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. I don't know if you noticed, but I dyed my hair darker. Went back to the dark side. It's a little darker than I expected, but it says it comes out in 28 washes, so hopefully it tones down a little bit because I'm looking kind of like Elvira. But I kind of like it. I'm not sure how I feel yet. But anyway, so since I have stuff that's already in this Boxycharm, I'm going to do a giveaway. As you guys know, my Instagram awesomely got hacked, which is so cool. So to be able to win this giveaway, you have to be following me on Instagram. I know, I feel like I'm like begging people, please follow me, you know, but that's kind of how I feel, to be honest. And what I'm going to be giving away is, I'm definitely going to be giving away a Dose of Colors palette. I'm going to be giving away a Iconic London Prep Set Glow Spray, and then I'm just going to throw in some other stuff too, because why not? Sounds fun, right? So I wanted to use the new Kevyn Aucoin. This has nothing to do with Boxycharm, but I used it the other day and I was like, it's so good. It's really, really good. It's their new foundation. It's the Foundation Balm. I promise you, if you guys try this, it's like life-changing. It feels like mousse. It feels so good on your skin. I can't even describe it, but it looks so natural and nice. It doesn't look thick and cakey. This one, I feel like, looks awesome on camera and amazing in person. It just gives your face like this really great glow. You don't need a lot of powder on top of it because I really like how it sat on my skin and it didn't look cakey and thick and heavy. So I'm just going to show you. Let me show you that too. Oh, and also something else I really, really liked about it was this little brush. I really, really like this brush, and I was like, let me see if I like it as much with other foundations. Like maybe it's just the foundation that I like so much and it's not the brush. It's the brush too, because I did it with a foundation that I felt so about. The way it blends, it just blends like a dream. I don't know, it's really, really soft. And I've talked about how I like the Dermablend brush a lot. This beats the Dermablend brush. This is like my new jam. I kind of do the same thing all the time when it comes to foundation. I use like the same brush. This is my new favorite. I just wish it was a little bit bigger. Like I wish it covered more area so I could do it quicker. It's okay, I'm gonna look past it. So here's where we're at. It's just so soft and smooth. It reminds me so much of a really nice mousse. So you guys can see like my little sunspot. Some redness up in here, redness here, just popped a pin, looks good. Let me show you the magic of this foundation. All right, we'll start over here. Bye, see you. Hi, be gone. Redness, be gone. Oh, looks so good. It blends so nice. It buffs amazing. Do you see how it just buffs away? And I feel like it's such a good color for me. Look at the redness, it just goes away. Oh, I love it. I kind of look ghostly, so I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go finish this up. I'm gonna put on the rest of my face because in the Boxycharm box, there's like no really face products except for this spray. So I'm gonna go do that so I don't look so creepy. I'll be back. All right, so I got my makeup on, and what I used basically everything that's in this box. All right, so you guys got to be honest with me, be brutally honest, and tell me if you guys like my hair this dark. I feel like I'm not digging it. I feel like it really washes me out. It makes me look so pale. Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna go wash my hair 85 times. I feel like this is a bit much, but anyway. So jumping right in, here is the Boxycharm for October. Hi! So the weight for mine is 0.85. I know people get very, very intense about that, so making sure I add that in there. But opening it up, we have the Sassy Siennas by Dose of Colors. So this is going to be in the giveaway box because I already have it. So I'm going to show you mine so I don't open it up again. Here it is. It's got my type of colors in it, those corals that get into like those burnt browns. I'm so into it. You guys know how much I love those type of colors. I actually have it on my eyes right now. All I used was Oh So Sassy and Bossy, which are these first two, and then I put a little bit of gloss on it. I just wanted to do something a little bit different, a little bit more fall-y, and I didn't want to wear lashes, to be honest with you. So I love this. I remember when these first came out and I was like, I'm not getting them. They don't seem too special, I guess. I'm like, browns, mauves, like, I'm not so sure about that. Then I got them and I was like, now I see what the hoorah is about. Like, This palette, this one in the browns, is my #1 favorite. I'm not too big of a mauve girl, but if you are, I'm sure you'll love it. They're very extremely pigmented, and me, I feel like I dip into this and the browns every single day. The browns I use on my eyebrows. I feel like it's perfect. I feel like it just gives you a true eyebrow color. Personally, it doesn't leave me gray. I feel like it's just true brown. And what I like about it too is that you can do smoky eyes, and then you can also do daytime eyes. And if you're like me and you love like the corally oranges, which I think looks so amazing on brown eyes, blue eyes not so much. If I totally understand. I feel like the orange can make you kind of look a little crazy if you have blue eyes. It gives me more of that like ethnic, sexual, like sultry type of look. That's the vibe I get anyway. I don't know. And then inside the box too, which I'm going to be giving away, is the Prep Set Glow by Iconic London. I've talked about this many times. I love it on the skin. It looks so beautiful. It brings your skin back to life, especially if you wear a lot of powders. It just makes your skin look like skin and not so heavy and cakey, which I can't stand. Then I have the Tinted Brow Gel by Mellow. I'm going to give that away. Then it came also with the black eyeliner by Hollywood and Vine. I'm going to give that away because I have 8 million black eyeliners, nothing special. And then this Hank and Henry, and this is a mascara. I think it's half primer, half mascara. I don't know, but I'm going to give that away as well. So I'm going to give away basically well, not basically. I'm going to give away my whole Boxycharm this month. I'm excited to give away this whole box, and then I'm going to throw in some extras. So that's pretty much it for me for this video. Make sure you go like my Instagram, enter my giveaway. I'll have the link below in the description box. And I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.